welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sarah and this is My Blessed Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy, delicious club sandwich. If you want to know how I make this easy lunch or dinner, just stay with me and let's get started. Alright, let's go ahead and get started on our ingredients. I'm going to use turkey breast, some Black Forest ham, just whatever you have. I'm going to use a single sliced cheese, and I found this at H-E-B here in Texas. We have a Carolina Reaper. It is so good, super hot, but it's delicious. You can use whatever kind of cheese you like. I'm gonna use some mustard, some mayo, avocado, and I'm also gonna use some bacon. I already baked it in the oven. See how they come out really straight? If you put them on parchment paper and not just on the bacon dish, it won't curl up. You'll have a flat piece of bacon when it comes out, okay? Just a quick tip. Tomatoes and some green leaf lettuce. You can use any kind of bread you have. Today I'm gonna be using sourdough and we're gonna be toasting it, okay? All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we have my lettuce here. I'm going to cut this avocado. Okay, a little brown tip. That's just meat. Okay, so just make your strips. Don't go all the way through the meat because you don't want to cut yourself. Okay, here we go. So I just go under it with my fingers and just pick it up. Okay. All right. My tomato, I'm going to cut them in really thin slices. You can cut them as thick or as thin as you like. Okay, have our bacon, and we'll put our meat, our cheese, and our bacon over here. So I use about 2 tablespoons of mayo and just like a quick squirt of mustard. So that's probably like 1/4 teaspoon. And I'll add some fresh cracked pepper. Okay, all right. And we'll get started with our bread. Just put a generous amount on the bottom bread. Okay. Then make sure to put something dry first, okay? So I just start off with my lettuce because you don't want to put any tomatoes on the bottom, okay? I like to do all my veggies on the bottom. Some more cracked pepper if you want. It's strictly up to you. Then on a dry piece of toast, I'm going to put it on top of the avocado, okay? Now on the top of that dry toast, you're going to put more mayo mixture. And you want to do a generous amount because you're going to be using a lot of meat and cheese, okay? Now add your bacon. And you add your ham, cheese. And you can definitely share this with your loved one or with someone. And then your cheese on top. And then your last go of your mayo mixture. You're going all around the bread. We'll place them on top. Look at that. All right, so now that you have this together, you're gonna get your bamboo skewers. So you'll have, remember the jagged side up right here. And if your husband's acting up, just give him a really long one. And then one here, and then you have one here, and then one on this side, okay? And then we'll just cut. Here we go. Just make sure your knife is sharp, and then you'll be fine. Cut all the way down. Instead of moving your sandwich, just move the chopping board, okay? All the way down. Look how delicious. There we go. Let's dress them up here and another here. Some chips here. And don't forget, big fat juicy pickle right here. Your club sandwich. And now for the best part. The taste test. So delicious. Pickle. That is so wonderful. So refreshing. It's getting warm here in Texas. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, from my blessed kitchen to yours. Bye.
Con tus labios rosados, yo me muero por una prueba de placer. Siempre que estoy a tu lado, lo que siento